what's up, guys? So I did have two whole videos recorded for you guys, but I was going to edit them, and my computer decided to corrupt all the files, and I lost them. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. One of the videos was me driving this car around, and then I bled the front brakes and got it performing pretty well again. And then I took it around the neighborhood, and I actually had an incident occur in the neighborhood with one of my neighbors where they approached me and they tried to yell at me about driving the car around, and then they ended up putting their hands on me, and then I had to call the police, and it was a very interesting scenario. But rest assured, I did defend myself. I did get my shots back in where I could. The police came. They told me everything's fine, and that if I want to test drive my car when I work on it, that there's no problem test driving my car when I work on it. So though you guys don't get the full story right now, if you really want to know, I guess throw a comment down below and I'll tell you the story next time I post a video. But yeah, so I do have a couple clips of me driving the car still that were recorded on the cell phone, so I'll put those in the video after I finish explaining the intro, and you guys can at least get to see the VQ Still lady like driving, which would be cool. But today's video is going to be primarily about working on the interior on the coupe. Now, it's already done, as you can see, because, well, I'm recording this after the fact. But I have a bunch of clips of me getting the headliner and the panels and the back seats ready to go back in the car. I did have time lapses of me painting the carpet from beige to black, which I thought was pretty cool because, you know, it's a carpet restoration, and it's a pretty cool process to see. But those unfortunately did get deleted, so today's video is going to be a little bit shorter than the normal ones, but I do apologize. A lot of my recorded footage that I put a lot of effort into got deleted, so you know, that's where we're at right now. So I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm going to let you guys get to today's video. Hit the like button, throw a comment down below if you got any questions. Make sure you're subscribed. Let's get to it. Alright, so I got most of the interior put in. I have to swap out that window regulator over there, and then swap out the door handle lever, because every time you pull the door handle it slides out of the clip, and I'm not trying to put the card back on and then have issues with the door, you know what I mean? So headliner's in, carpet's in, back seats are in. I know it's really dark, sorry. Yeah, I just gotta vacuum it up. I swapped over my dual overhead cam ECU plug, because the one that was in here was cut short, and I had a longer one from Wiring Specialties, so I threw that one in there because it had the longer cords. And yeah, so there's that. I got the steering column in there. I've got my cluster set in there. I'm not gonna put in the bezel yet because I have some stuff coming for my NZX cluster, my NX 1600 cluster, so I'm gonna be putting that in, so there's no reason to go and put the shroud in there when they're already fragile as it is. So yeah, that's where we're at. I also got the headlight assemblies completely done up. That one's just sitting over there because I had to bend in these parts of the fenders because it was rubbing. I got hella bulbs in there with H3s, like changeable H3 bulbs, so that's pretty cool. You can just swap out the bulb instead of replacing the whole assembly. So that's pretty neat, I think. And yeah, so that's where we're at with the 240. So pretty exciting stuff. This one's near complete. I feel a lot more comfortable with this one because this one's not a swap like this one. So there's still a few things I want to get done on this. Both cars need fan relays put in, so I got to get 2 sets of fan relays and put those in there for both these cars. And then yeah, getting closer and closer to being able to take them out on the road. I do have to figure out what's going on with the suspension on this one still, because as you guys saw in the last video, or heard in the last video, something's really squeaky. I'm not really sure what it is. I have brand new calipers and rotors, or I have brand new rotors on the front, so it's not the rotors. Maybe the pads are warped. I'm not really sure. Maybe I just have to bleed the rest of the system and get out remaining air. Not really sure, but I'll figure it out. So I'm gonna end the video here though. So you know, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching the video all the way through if you made it this far. If you have, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps push the content out to more people, and the more people see the content, the easier it is to fund the builds, you know what I mean, and fund the content that I make for you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.